If you want to check voicemail messages on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of course we want to go to the phone app, and in the keypad you can call the voicemail by pressing and holding number 1 on the keypad. If you hold it for like a second or so, you should be able to call your voicemail and then follow the instructions that you will hear on the call to check messages. And in case the voicemail number is incorrect, you cannot call your voicemail, then you can edit the voicemail number by tapping on these three dots in the top right corner. Then you can go to settings. Here we need to scroll down and go to voicemail, and then we have the voicemail number over here where we can change the voicemail number. And if you don't know what number you should put in over here, then you can either try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to ask them what is the voicemail number, or you can try to simply Google the voicemail number of your carrier. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.